Welcome back to Building Your App Lessons. In this lesson, we're going to look at some of the ways you can change text on your template. Up at the top of your preview window, you will have three different views that you can click on. The first one is the layout view, and you will notice that the design toolbox over here on the left is grayed out, and the tools that you have here allow you to, if you click on the first one, you can append an image, the next one append a button, the next one append a menu style, div tags, append columns, and append text. Clicking on any of those buttons will add that desired element to the bottom of whatever is currently on the page. In the design mode, the layout elements is grayed out and the design toolbox is opened up. And this allows you to do all sorts of things with the elements that are on your screen, as well as add elements. For instance, if I select this text by dragging my left mouse over it, I can bold it, or unbold it in this case, and clicking on it again will bold it. I can make it italics, or I can undo it. I can left align it, I can center it, I can right align it, we'll put it back in the center. I can go down here and choose a different font. I can go here and change the size of that text. And these two arrows up here are your redo and undo buttons. And I'm just going to undo that because that's heading text. You can also change and add highlight colours and so on and so forth. You can insert internal links, external links, and each of these icons on these buttons, as you hover over them, you get a hint as to what they do. This one here, for instance, gives me the option to add a mail to link, and if I clicked on it, I get a window that would open up, and I can put in the link text and the email address that I want the email to go to. So these are your options for adding different things and altering text. If we go back to the layout mode, I can click on this text and I will get this green box. I can click edit, and here I can actually change the text here if I want to. Let's put in my first app and click apply, and there you go, I've just changed it. If I hover over it again, wait till it turns green and click edit, I can go to the text here and say I don't like that green colour of the text. I click inside that box and I can drag my cursor up and down. You see the colours changing, and say I want to change it to a red. So I lift that right up to the red that I want, and then I click on the circle with my mouse and drag that until I see the colour that I want in this box. I click OK and click apply. Don't forget to click apply, because if you don't apply it, you won't change it. And there you go, my text colour has been changed. And you can do this for any text. Just hover over it in the layout mode, click edit, click on the HTML, and you can just highlight that text by dragging your mouse over it with your left mouse button, and then just type in the text you want here. Click apply. You can hover over that text again and go back to edit, click on text, and here you can change the text size. We can make it, say, 20. I can change the font family, let's say Georgia. For some reason I want it in italics, and I can click apply. And there you go, it's changed for you. One other thing we can do with text that I will show you right here is we'll click and edit on that. Say we don't want that text there, then I can just click the delete button and it is gone. If I go back into design mode and decide I want that back, I can't click on undo and get it back, because once you delete something, it is gone. So let's just save this now and on to the next lesson.